I'm glad that you have a nice setup here with the camera and the microphone. Are you doing also YouTube or something?
No, no. Actually, the microphone is for buyer meeting, and the watch is for multiple client, different USA state. And
Yeah,
this board is for my recent client, whose client project is running. So I need to see what I am doing,
yeah.
and also
I like your
sometimes
setup.
I do short YouTube.
I like your setup. It's very nice, your microphone and everything. Yeah,
Okay, thank you, thank you.
yeah. That's great. So yeah, my name's Frederick. I'm in the marketing, online marketing space for the last 10 years.
Okay,
Um, I tried multiple different things, drop shipping. I tried Amazon selling product. I tried ebook. I did affiliate marketing, and eventually I realized I'm mostly into design, websites, and also, making packages for clients because I don't just want to sell my design. I sell a whole package,
okay,
a whole agency thing, kind of. So currently, my team is consisting of four people, me as like project manager, salesperson, and I also do a little bit of everything. I know obviously Figma very well. I also know a little bit Webflow development stuff sometimes, but I have actually so I have also one other designer from Pakistan, one other developer from Pakistan. They're good friends, and I make good deals with them, and they're happy, and they work on a project basis. And then I have also one a virtual assistant in the Philippines, a girl who helps me with doing lead generation and every kind of additional task. So that's
okay,
currently my setup. I also last year I was working as a UX UI designer for automotive company, so my business was kind of on hold during that time. Yeah, so that's kind of me. And currently, I have started efforts in a new niche with the solar niche.
okay,
So the business is called mysolarwebsite.com. Currently, there is no website yet for that. I'm just starting out this year with this, and so I have like general agency website as well. But right now, I'm concentrating on the solar niche.
okay,
So my virtual assistant is doing the lead gen, and now I closed our first client last week.
okay,
So this client, he is a podcaster, radio host, and does YouTube, and he's a solar broker.
okay,
So he sells the solar directly to other companies that do the fulfillment, so installation, and he does all the lead generation.
okay,
So he does radio show in California, and people call him, send him text and stuff. Then he has a meeting with his team, so someone from his sales team will contact the person, and then they will do like 3 to 5 proposals from different company, and then they do the sale together with the client, and then they give it the project to that. So like they outsource the fulfillment and the installation, and they make commission, and they are my client now. So we're building out the design currently. I can show you what I have so far also in a minute with the design. And I am looking for someone starting like next month to do the advertisement on Google. So what I sold my client is I sold him development design is a down payment. He paid me already 50% of that. So by end of next month, he will pay the next 50%, and then he will pay monthly retainer. Monthly retainer include two parts: conversion rate optimization, which is mostly split testing and trying different A/B testing for the website, like seeing if maybe the different color will work or different text or different call to action.
okay,
That is one part of the retainer. Another part of the monthly is the Google Ads optimization, and
okay.
that's where you come in.
Okay.
So this is what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for someone like you who's friendly, you can talk with English, and
Okay.
has experience in the niche, because I'm going to have more clients. Also, we're focused only on the solar
Yes.
right now. We have also new people already we're constantly contacting people, so there should be coming more clients. Also with
Yes.
right this client I have, I'm putting a lot of effort that this will be a success because this will give us case study for the future.
Okay.
So I'm willing to, spend money on this, but luckily also the client is paying me good, so there is budget. Okay, so we're
Okay.
not stressed with the money. Um, that's very good. I'm happy about that. So I can afford someone with quality, and I'm paying everyone well, and everyone's happy. Okay,
Yes.
so that's like the summary of it all, and maybe you can tell a little bit about yourself. We can go into detail and see how things proceed. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, my name is Saad. I am working with Fiverr almost 3 years, and also I am working in out of marketplace. Almost total it's 6 month my journey in freelancing. Okay, sorry,
Okay.
not 6 months, 6 year.
6 years. Six
Just
years.
mistakenly month. Okay, this is the thing. And basically, I work for law firm, automotive, and solar or roofing. I mean, USA local company whose business provide the services,
Yeah.
not product. I mean, I target service type businesses,
Yeah.
and my most of the client lawyer, USA lawyer, and also I target specifically California,
Yeah.
Los
That's
Angeles,
good.
Dallas, Pasadena,
That's
etc.
very good. That because our client also is California. A lot of clients California actually.
Oh, you can see it's the California map. You
Yeah.
see?
That's great that you have that right there. I like
Yes.
that. Yeah. That's amazing.
Because it's also easy for my work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
So California also my target, and also I have multiple client in Washington, in New York, in Money 18, etc. all over the USA. But my target is California.
Okay.
So,
Great.
so I have some existing client, and mainly I provide the Google PPC ads. I
Yeah.
mean Google search ads. Also I provide the Facebook ads. This is also like A/B testing. Sometimes it happen. Our website structure is looking so good, so we can expect the leads. But we can also create only one landing page for any specific service, also a specific location. Only
Yeah.
one landing page, so we can see or this company is going well or this separate landing page. So if we see this company is going well, so we can create more.
Yeah, because basically, I think if we start off, my idea is if we start off with a, let's call it general service,
Okay.
but specific city, that would be a first good place to start. And then from there, we can say, okay, now we're going to create specific service, specific city, A/B split test. So we can see, okay, generic landing page versus specific landing page,
Yes.
specific product.
Perfect.
Okay, good, good,
But
good,
one
good.
point you need to actually, brother, the job is no matter. We need to clear all about thing what we are doing. So the point is like sometime if any people search solar based solar company, and if anyone search based residential solar install in San Francisco, so which can be more attractive? The long tail keyword, right? Which people search a specific service also for a specific location. This is the point.
Yeah. Well, but if someone puts in best solar in San Francisco, then that landing page that we have that says, okay, we are the best
Yes.
solar in San Francisco for business and homes, it should be good. If someone puts in best commercial solar for San Francisco, then maybe it would be better to have a more specialized landing page for commercial solar in San
Yes.
Francisco. So
Yes.
that's where we need to analyze the data and see, okay, there is enough, traffic for
Mm-hmm.
commercial solar in San Francisco
Mm-hmm.
that it is worth